I'm gonna be making an apartment. These guys are gonna be living in it. And I built them in another video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. So I'm gonna be starting with this. You probably have this, and then you can get one of these, put it on, put this on, and then you can just put this right here. Actually, you put it right there, and then you probably have one of these too. You put one of these on right here, and then we can try to build a bunk bed. So we can get this, put this like that, and then you put one on top like that. Then you can put a railing right there. And then you can put that right there. And then we're gonna put the walls on. Let's see. We can put this one and then this together. This, and then this. I think that will, this goes like that. And then you can get some of these, like this, put them right on there. Okay, then I'm just gonna use this. Now I got this right here. And then we gotta find a little bit more of walls. So I got some walls right here. And this can just go right on here. It's okay if it doesn't fit perfectly. And now we have an apartment. Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.